Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this foldable cat litter box. So this has some nice features. Nice cover over the cat litter box. So currently our litter box doesn't have a cover on it. So we love our cats, but they make a mess. They scratch in there, you know, and they like spray and kick up stuff all over their little cat house. And it's kind of not fun to clean up after. So this little guy has some nice features. It's covered, so that should, there's nothing worse than, well, there are things that are worse, but there's not a lot of fun when the cats are kicking litter all over the place and you got to go out there and vacuum it up all the time. So this features a little cat door. The cats can come in and out of there. See if I can take this plastic off here. All right, so this cat door is like a locks in place as well. We'll be doing a little bit of an assembly here. Has some instructions how to set it up. Comes with these nice little scoopers as well. So two of those, they fit right in each other. And it has a little hook there. Super cool. Even got these little bag dispensers here, so you can put the little bags in there, get your cat litter, throw that away. That's nice. And here we have another little scooper with a little brush here. So I do have two cats, and you just brush, sweep that in if there is a little bit of a mess. That's super cute. Okay. Also comes with this little pad. Could put it right outside. So it's got little cat paws on it. Isn't that amazing? It's got this nice little material too. So when they do step out of the kitty litter box, they put their things on that. The kitty litter off on their little paws there, off their paws. So let's assemble this here. Doesn't look like it'll be too difficult here. So we have this bottom portion. Let's see, this can be adjusted, I believe, so they can go in or out. And let's see, should I try to use the instructions? So this slides out. This is very well thought out. As you can see, it's a good size too. It's 20 by 16, and then it's 15 inches high. So good size here, nice depth for the kitty litter. So that's super nice. Okay, and it has this whole front is going to be this door here. So let's just put this into place. And just snap down in there, just like that. Just push it in. And then looks like we have our top portion here. Got little kitty pads on the side. That's cool. I think we should just set this down right here on the side here. Just press that into place. Let's see here. Is there a certain way that this has to be done? Maybe these have to go in first, but we'll see. That should just go in there nicely, just like that. And that has a little hole on the top that goes into place right there. Okay, just like putting Legos together. It's not bad. Pretty easy assembly here, my friends. If I can do it, anybody can. All right, so here we go, this portion. There we go, locks into place. And that little peg right there. Okay, and then this back one goes on. I hope that I put it on in the correct order here. Maybe it was the other one supposed to go on there first, but it looks like that's okay. It's probably the sides first and then the ends, because it looks like it has a little overlap thing that goes on there. So it's all right, we still got it. Oh, there we are. Let's get that little end on there. Make sure these line up. Just like that. There we go. Press that down and then make sure that little cap goes on right there. Okay, so far so good. Looking nice. I like how this has a nice big door here for the cats to go in, and also has this here. If you want to take this portion out, this can just slide out of there. But basically, if you want to go both ways, if you want the cats to go in and out that way, they can. Or if you only want them to be able to go in, just put that in place. And they're not going to go out that way, they're going to come in that way. Okay, and then we have this top portion. And this just snaps down over the top. Just like that. Really easy to get this set up, my friends. So it has this hole in the top. The cats can climb out of there. This is actually really nice. This hook thing, it fits right on there, so we can have our things there. That's cool. And then it has these little clips here. I think we can clip these on somewhere. But if not, we can put them next to there somewhere, have this on top or whatever. So, as you can see, a good size here. The cats can come in here and then pop out of the top when they're done. When they're going to kick and bury their business, it's not going to fly out everywhere. So the only part that's going to get anywhere is when they get out on their little paws. Okay, so another thing. So this just is going to be able to slide right out, and then you're going to be able to clean it super easy. So you don't have to take the whole top off. This is really well thought out. Let's go put some kitty litter in here and get this thing set up. All right. Okay, there's my kitties right there. There's Booger, Thomas. Hi, Thomas. All right, so here we have the cat litter box all set up and working pretty good. Before we had that cover on it, there would be kitty litter like literally everywhere. So you can see that they've been using it nicely. I've opted for, the door to be swung both ways, and then I put the little kitty pad right here. Works really great. There's a little bit on the top there, but nothing like before. That's just a little kitty litter that maybe gets on their little paws when they're doing their business. But this is super easy to clean out, so we can just simply, if it is up on the sides there, we would just give our little a brush they gave us and just sweep that kind of off there, just like that. And then this drawer can pull out, and then we can get our cat litter all cleaned out. And once that is all cleaned out, we can just slide this right back into place. This is our little cat area. Cats, yeah, you just see there's a little bit of kitty litter up there, but before, man, they would just fling that litter everywhere, and it would just be, we have to come in here and vacuum everything up. But yeah, it takes up not a lot of room actually, but you could see, as stated before, a really good sized litter box there. So both my cats are they're full grown now, decent size, and they use it nicely. So great product here. If you don't want the kitty litter going all over the place in your house or wherever, this is very easy to clean, easy to work with, and a nice product. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.